Hi everybody, welcome to True Wants. We're here, we try to help you make the decision if it's going to stay a want or become a need. If you are new to my channel, I really hope you will choose to subscribe. It's free and it's easy. It's the red button that's right underneath this video. If you press it and it turns gray, you're in. It's that simple. There's also a bell that's beside that button. And I recommend strongly that you press that because I use that button as well for other people that I watch. What it is, it's called the notification bell. And what ends up happening is YouTube will send you one email notifying you that you just uploaded a brand new video. You will see in your inbox a picture and the title of the actual video, and if you press on the picture, it acts like a shortcut and it takes you directly to the video. I use it, I enjoy it, and I want to make sure that you guys know about it as well. All right, today's day is we are going to be doing an unboxing for the Target March 2020. Target used to be one of my favorite boxes because they were always around $7. Sometimes they went up to $10, and it went a little bit all over the place, but normally it's around $7. And it always used to have a cute little treat in there like a lipstick or a mascara, so it always made the box worthwhile. Then something changed within Target boxes, and for some reason what they were putting in wasn't really of interest to me, and I was putting it aside. Last month was the first month that I got really excited again because they did a whole box on lip products, and if you haven't seen that, I'd love you to go watch that video. It was a lot of fun and the products were really, really great. This month they had a couple of boxes, and one immediately that I pressed on that interests me is the one that we're going to be going through today. And then the following day when I was looking through some emails that were coming down from ULTA, they had one that was recommending for dermatological products, and it rang a bell that there was a second box from Target that had those items too. So I'm waiting on that second box to come, and once that arrives, because I didn't order it at the same time as this box, so I will be doing a second video with that box because it intrigued me that ULTA was having it as a bonus that if you spent $15 you can get these products, and that a lot of those products were in the Target box that was only $7. So I ended up buying it after the fact. So I'm going to go through that with you guys on a separate video when it arrives, and I'm excited to share that with you so that we can go through that together. But today's box, it's beautiful and it's huge, and it is from Target. They've also changed a lot of their beautiful designs that they've done with their boxes, and on here it's saying out of office, and that is what the product looks like here. Another thing that I do, if you're not familiar with my channel, is I do open up and take off, I try my best, a lot of the wrapping so that I could take a picture on Instagram, because on Instagram I want everything to look exactly how it did coming out of the box, removing all the plastic, and then I put everything back in the box. I don't really look at anything or play with anything or read anything until I come on camera with you guys. So I just want to make sure that I'm going to show you some things, how they were packaged a little bit differently, because Target does some really cool things that other boxes that are a lot more expensive don't do, and I'm going to share that with you guys as well. So they always cover it in some form of tissue paper, and they usually give a card, and on this card they will give you the descriptions of the products as well as a $3 off coupon, and this coupon in this box will expire 06/30, and what we use it for, it's a beauty purchase of $15 or more for cosmetics, skincare, or hair care. And I used to always use these coupons to pick up a pixie spray so I can try all the different ones, and these are $15 at Target, and then with the $3 off coupon it's better. So I ended up using those coupons for that, but you can use it on anything, like I said, for cosmetics, skincare, or hair care. All right, so I'm going to be looking down at the card so that when we go through the box we'll be able to show you guys everything that's in here, but I'm going to give you a quick sneak peek because most of these look like huge deluxe size samples, and they seem to be doing a lot more with hair care and things like that. So it gave me an opportunity to try a couple of shampoos, and they started to become my favorite shampoos. So now when I see a certain brand that I've always wanted to try that are in these Target boxes. I jump on it for $7 because, first of all, they're fantastic sizes for travel because they're not little sample sizes, they're truly deluxe sample sizes. And like I said, it's introduced me to some that I went out and bought the full size with the coupons. So it really worked in my favor. All right, the first item that's in here is from Thayers, which is a Witch Hazel alcohol-free toner facial mist. And this one is in Rose Petal. Now, this one here is the one from my area. You can see that it's very well loved. There's just a bit left. I love this. I always have it in my beauty arsenal. I never buy it with the Rose Petal because I'm not a huge lover of rose. But this one is their facial toner. It's Witch Hazel aloe vera formula, and it's unscented and alcohol-free. But it doesn't have a spritzer. It's a regular that you put it on your little cotton rounds, and that's it. And that's what I use periodically, and I enjoy it very much. But the one that was in this box that really intrigued me is also from the same brand, so I knew it was a brand that I was going to love. But look how large these samples are. This is a 3 fluid ounce. It came with a spritzer, and it is the one with the same aloe vera formula, but it is the Rose Petal. So it's going to give me an opportunity to try it and see how strong that Rose Petal is. But even so, even after I finish it, I'll be able to then pour from my larger bottle into a spritzer with the same formula. So that I'm very, very intrigued with. So what they wrote on the card here, it says it's a unique blend of pore cleansing rose water and certified organic aloe vera, which will clean, tone, moisturize, and balance the skin's pH level. It is revealing a gorgeous glowing complexion. And they also have a tip written here, and it says, simply mist throughout the day to give your face an instant refresher. But that's like with any misting formula. But let me just do and see how strong. I can't smell the rose yet through that. So let's do a little spritz. And it is an extremely fine mist. And it does have, oh, it dissipates immediately. So that's really good. But it does smell a little bit like rose petals. So that's nice. All right, the next item that's in here are the shampoos that I was talking about. And what they do a little bit differently with the shampoos, I'm going to show you because I've taken them off already, is anything that it has the potential that it might open up or spill, they put these little tags around it, and they're sticky. And what it does is that extra safety seal to make sure that nothing spills. And if you've watched my channel for a bit, you know that in my ultimate Ipsy box, which is, you know, $50, I had something that spilt, and it spilt over everything. This is such an easy, simple solution, and it's something I wish other boxes would do it as well. So this is from the brand called Nexxus. It is called the Therappe Ultimate Moisturizer Shampoo. It's saying it has a protein infusion, and it's supposed to have an elastic protein and a green caviar. And these are 3 fluid ounces, and they gave it to us in the shampoo as well as the conditioner. So I'm just going to open it up and see. There is no safety seal in it, and it has no real scent. It really solely smells like a cleansing shampoo, but if you can see here, it's fully filled up. So these are fantastic to try, and you'll definitely get a few uses, more than a few, out of this. So you'll be able to know if it's something that you want to repurchase. So let's read what they wrote about it on the card. So on the first one, they're saying the Ultimate Moisture Shampoo. They're saying it has an exclusive protein fusion blend, which we just discussed, and it says it cleanses, rebalances your hair by rebuilding broken bonds and replenishing nutrients. So that's the shampoo. And on the conditioner, it says exactly the same thing, except it says it smooths the hair surface and helps protect the hair from breakage by locking in the nourishment. So like I said, when I see bottles that are this size from a brand that I know is a good brand, I always try to grab it. And like I said, this whole box was only $7. The next item is one that I'm going to put in a future giveaway for the simple reason that I have an antiperspirant that I enjoy. This one here is from Schmidt's. I think these are formulated, it says here, with hemp seed oil, and it is rose and black pepper, and they're saying it is a hemp seed oil enriched natural deodorant, and it's a sensitive skin formula. So that's what this is here, and this is absolutely full size. And let's see what they wrote on the card here. They're saying it is enriched with hemp seed oil for sensitive skin. It has a luxurious, long-lasting scent, which will neutralize odor and keeps you feeling fresh and smelling delicious all day long. They're saying it is a certified vegan and cruelty-free. I'm just gonna open it up to see if I can smell anything. No, I can't. And there's an extra safety seal in it, so I'm not gonna touch this because, like I said, I'm probably gonna be passing this along. All right, the next item here is saying, not your mother's clean freak. And that's what it looks like here. And I think I've received this in a previous box. For a while there, we were getting a lot of dry shampoos, and I don't use dry shampoo a lot, but I do like to travel with it. And I do have a bunch of them. And it's funny, years ago, they were so hard to find in the smaller sizes. And I always, you know, went out and purchased the travel sizes of dry shampoo just to have on hand. And I think maybe I've used dry shampoo once or twice, but I know a lot of people, when I watch other channels, they religiously swear by dry shampoo. But at one point, I'm probably going to give it a try, and I definitely have a little arsenal developing of these type of products. But this one is called Not Your Mother's Clean Freak Refreshing Dry Shampoo. It's saying it is an instant results. It will absorb excess oil. It will leave no residue, and it gives you fresh volume. And it's 1.6 fluid ounces, and it's unscented. And this one here, what they wrote is just saying that it's an unscented formula that will refresh strands and instantly absorb oil and odor. So day-old hair looks lush and full of life. And it's funny, when I say years ago, I mean years ago, dry shampoo for us was, for me and my girlfriends, was like if we went to clubs and stuff at night and our hair, you know, absorbed. Those years you could smoke and do things like that in clubs. It would, you know, grab into your hair, and then the next day you really didn't need to wash your hair, but the smell of the smoke and all that from the clubs really stayed within your hair. And that's what I always used to use these dry shampoos for. So this is, I'm happy that we're going to give this a try, and let's just see if there's, they did say it's unscented, but we'll just see what the spritz looks like. Yeah, very, very, it almost feels like a soft baby powder type of feel on your hands. So that's a nice product to have. All right, the next item that we have in here is from Cetaphil. It is a daily cleansing facial cleanser. They're saying it is for combination skin or normal to oily skins. The one that I have here, it just says daily facial cleanser, and it says normal to oily skin, which is what I am. And it says it is a low foaming formula. It will act gently yet effectively remove surface oils, dirt, and makeup without stripping your skin. They do have a tip on this, and the tip is to massage a small amount onto wet skin, then rinse away for a fresh, clean feeling without tightness and over drying. So that's what this item is here. This is 1 fluid ounce. And this is also a really, really good idea to take when you're traveling. Nothing has had safety seals. It's not like I removed them ahead of time. They just haven't had it. So what's great about this is after you use this, if you want to, you know, replenish, it's an easy thing to replenish. But also if you have other cleansers that you love, like me, it's Purity. You know, they come, I also had them in a million sizes, but if you don't and you have the large bottle, these are ones that are great that you can fill up and take with you. So definitely we'll be trying this. This is a really well-known brand, and I've seen a lot of people really enjoy this product, so it's one that I'm definitely going to try. And the last item that we have in the box here looks huge to me, and it is 1.75 fluid ounces. It's from the brand OGX, which is also a really nice brand. It also intrigues me when we get these boxes, because a lot of things that I didn't know were available at Target, by getting these boxes, you know that they are. This one says it's extra strength. It's refresh and restore coconut miracle oil. It is a dry shampoo. Indulge in this island scent infused with coconut oil, essence of Thayers, and vanilla bean extract. It also says it will help to absorb oil, restore, and revive hair from silky soft island girl hair. That's what is written here. And let's see what it's written on the card. Okay, it says this dry shampoo is infused with coconut oil, the essence of tiara, I think it is. I apologize if I'm pronouncing it incorrectly. It says it has vanilla bean extract, which will help absorb oil, extend your style, and revive your strands, leaving your hair smelling irresistible and feeling fresh between the washes. They do have a how-to. They say spritz onto your hair, then massage through the roots to absorb excess oil. But that's typical of any dry shampoo. So let's do a little shake. I don't hear anything when you're shaking it, so let's just do a spritz. Same type of, but this has not overpowering, but just a fresher scent because the other one is unscented. This has a really nice, not overpowering coconut, but just fresh. You can smell a small hint of the coconut, which is really, really nice. So that's the item here. So like I said, all of this was $7. So we did get a couple of shampoos, one with a scent, one unscented. We did get a couple of shampoos, a shampoo and a conditioner. We did get a facial cleanser, which is really great, as well as the spritz of the Rose Petal, of a brand that I do enjoy, but I've never tried it with Rose Petal, and I've never had the luxury of the spritz bottle form in the bottle. So really excited to have that. And then once again, you do have that $3 coupon that you get to use. And these boxes that everything comes in are just beautiful. And they're a hard shell box, so definitely they are ones that I keep and I use to store other things. So I really get a full use out of this box. And like I said, it's $7. These used to be so quick that they used to sell out that if you didn't have notification or find out about it right away, immediately you really lost out. But it seems that either they're making larger quantities, or people are not that familiar with it anymore, or people just gave up on this box. But if I were you, I would definitely go on Target.com, because they not only had the ones from March, they did have the lip one that I mentioned, which if you watch the video, you can see if that's something of any of interest to you. But like I said, they're still available. I do have a Target card that gives me, I think, an extra 5% off plus free freight on these boxes. So I don't know if that's for everybody or just people that are card holders, but definitely check it out. Go to Target.com, look in the, just type in Target beauty box, and you will see all the ones that are still available there. So you won't have to miss out if it's something that you've watched a video and didn't get around to looking. These currently, when I went on before filming, are available. And like I said, if it is of any interest to you, definitely go on. All right, so that's it for today's video. I want to make sure that if you enjoyed my content, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up. I always forget to ask, but it's very important that you do. Also, I'd love you guys to leave me a comment down below that you did stop by and you did watch the video. And if you get the Target beauty box, and what's your favorite item that you've received in past Target boxes, I would really love to know. All right. Thank you for finding my channel. Thank you for spending time with me on my channel, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye for now.